I'm Komal Borasha and welcome back to my channel. So we're almost reaching to the end of our winter series and I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos so far. So in today's recipe, I'll be showing you a traditional Burmese dish which is going to be khao sui. To begin with the curry, we're going to start with the paste first. So for that, I've taken some onions, some garlic, some ginger, coriander seeds, some crushed pepper, and then we're adding some turmeric powder. If you don't have the fresh turmeric, then you can go ahead with the turmeric powder. And then I'm going to add some oil and some red chili powder. So now we're going to grind this to a fine paste, and after grinding it should look something like this. So our paste is ready, guys. We're going to start with the curry now. So in a pan, I'm going to take some oil. In that goes the paste that we've made. So since the paste is raw, we're going to cook this up for around 8 to 9 minutes till it is completely cooked and not raw. It smells really good right now. And after that, I'm going to add some red chili. Don't forget to take off the stalk. And if you don't like the pungent flavor, then you can even take the seeds out. After this, I'm adding some veggies. You can add anything of your choice. For today, I've added some broccoli, carrots, beans, corns. So we're going to let this cook in a low flame for around 5 to 6 minutes. And now comes the main part of the curry, which is going to be the coconut milk. So coconut milk is going to be the base of the curry. I've added approximately 150 ml. Since I'm making this in a very small quantity, I'm using this much. For a detailed recipe, don't forget to check out my description box. And once we're done with this, I'm going to add some water, paste, as we want this curry to be a soup-like consistency. And after this, I'm taking some gram flour and I'm going to add some water and I'm going to whisk till there are no lumps in it. As always, whenever you mix gram flour and water, it tends to be a little lumpy. So I'm doing this in a different bowl and then going to add this water to the curry. So what this is going to do is it's going to thicken up our curry and give it a nice consistency. And to make it a little more spicy, I'm adding some red chili powder. You can also skip this, it doesn't matter. Authentically, it is not spicy, but I like my curry to be a little spicy. And for it to all come together, we're going to again let this cook for around 8 to 9 minutes till it completely boils. And you know that the curry is ready. Just look at the consistency, guys. It is on point. And now for the presentation part, I'm just adding some curry at the bottom first, rolling up some noodles, how much ever you want, in a bowl. Yeah, and I'm going to add some little more curry on top. And then moving on to the important condiments, which is going to be fried onions. So what I've done is I've taken some oil and deep fried them. And likewise for garlic. These are fried garlics. Some chili flakes. Just drizzle that up. And some raw onion. And at the end, we're going to add some fried noodles. Squeezing up some lemon on it. And our one-pot Burmese khao sui dish is ready in no time. And trust me, guys, don't forget to add this fantastic recipe up in all your parties and get together, as it is a completely fuss-free dish. You know the drill, to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.